Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We're in Hungary, about 2 hours outside of Budapest. This is Fuge, substituting in for Mookie there. So that it'll be Appies with Chappy by the lake with special guest star Fuge, who's substituting in for Mookie. Don't worry, Mookie will be back next week. So basically, we're just going to head to the lake. Anyways, check it out. We're heading over to Lake Balaton. All right, here's the deal. We're making some mini pizzas today. So I have this just a little bit of dough. What it is I had some. So I wanted to do some sort of like a starter dough, and what I was doing is that I just put a little bit of dough to the side when I made a pizza. Take a little bit of dough out and then add a little bit of dough in. So basically, I didn't want it to take it on the move, so I'm just going to use it to make a little mini pizza. I got a little bit of New York style pizza dough. I got a little bit of Chicago thin crust pizza dough. I got a little bit of Neapolitan style dough. I was just going to keep it and add it to whatever dough I was making. But I'm moving, so let's use it up. All right, and I've already packed my rolling pin, so I just got a wine bottle. All right, going to do a little bit of pizza sauce. This is Rayo's pizza sauce. It's a store-bought pizza sauce, but it's, I think, the best on the market. Go all the way to the edges. And I got some nice Genoa Salami. Okay, I'm gonna get a bite of salami in every single bite. And I got some Cracker Barrel mozzarella cheese. Let's see. Eight grams of fat, so it's definitely not the skim milk. It's pizza cheese, so it should be pretty good. Alright, let's get that on the barbecue on my cast iron pizza pan. Oh, it's well over 600 degrees in there, so that should be a good. Oh yeah, it's blazing hot. I'm having a little trouble with the pizza lift off. We lost a lot of the cheese there. Alright, but it's so freaking hot it shouldn't take too long. I'm just going to put the cover on. Alright, good thing I put extra cheese on it because we lost a lot on the pizza lift off. Let's cut into it. Okay, there's my mini pizza. Oh, it's got some good leoparding on the bottom. That's because I had that barbecue on for a good hour. So the cast iron, I think, gets a little bit hotter, at least, than the pizza stones. So good leoparding. All right. I don't know if I'll call that a success, but it's definitely not a failure. Pizza's a lot like sex. Even when it's bad, it's still pretty good. So I think it looks pretty good. And it calls for 2 ounces of rum. I just got some lemon heart and sun today. A dash of Angostura bitters. A ½ ounce of Cointreau. And a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. I guess that's what makes it the martini. And we'll give that a shake up. And I think I have a nicely chilled martini glass somewhere. Here it is. And strain that on in. And that, my friends, is a Diablo 2. Watch another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.